Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to change currency in WooCommerce at 2026. So we are going to change the default store currency, and that's the basic method and the best one. So to do that, you will need to use this if your store sells in one currency only. So you will be able to sell on your store with multiple currencies. Okay, so actually you will need to go with the WooCommerce on the left hand menu, the WooCommerce option, and then just go and click on the settings on the pop-up menu, as you can see. All right, so after clicking it, we'll be forwarded into the settings. So right here I do want you to go and click on, or say on, general tab. Okay, so we will need to scroll down until we can see the currency, or we can find the currency options section, and just go ahead with the currency option under it. And right here you can choose the USD, Euro, MAD. You can go with multiple currencies right here, or different currencies, right? So you can go with the Japanese yen, the Kenyan shilling, etc. Okay, so it's up to you. I will say with the US dollar, and you will need to, or you can also change the currency position. So you can set it to the left, to the right, left with space, right with the space, etc. Right, and after finishing, you will need to go ahead and click on Save Changes button just on the bottom of the page, right? So the prices updates size wide. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.